Hello, I'm Dog Ross. Today, I'm going to be painting this peaceful backyard here in Florida. Let's take a bit of squeaky ball blue, and with a 2-inch brush, let's just slap a light background onto our white canvas here. I like to pretend I'm a cloud, floating and flittering my bristles on the canvas. There. Now let's clean off the brush. I like to smack the devil out of it. Now we need a darker background for our trees. I'm just using a little dog park green. For our tree trunks, let's take this number 2 brown. It doesn't matter how you form your logs, just let it flow. For the leaves, just tap. And let's do the same thing for our grass. There. Oh, I dropped my brush. Where'd that silly thing go? Always getting away from me like a pesky little squirrel. Little devils, aren't they? And let's paint in the garden walkway and arch. Steady, steady. Squirrel! It was just a happy little accident. This is going to be our wiener dog. So let's just paint this in before someone notices. There. And he looks about perfectly to scale too. But our little wiener dog needs some squirrel friends. Let's add in a few. Just remember, less is more. Now, an artist always signs their work. Do you like my painting? Well, my friends at BarkBox are hosting a charity auction for my painting. So click the link in the caption to cast your bid. The highest bid gets the original painting. The next 10 highest bidders receive an exclusive print, and all winners also receive this artist-themed BarkBox of toys and treats. All proceeds go to my local Dachshund Rescue. Happy painting, and dog bless.